Hi friends, in Hollywood, animals are treated with great respect, they are trained well and they are looked after well. But before that, let us go through these words. Ravens. Ravens means crow. Actually, it's a large crow, a big crow. That is raven means. Get hold of means to get something. Somebody, he wanted to get hold of a branch as he was falling down from a tree. A person was falling down from the tree and then he got hold of a branch. Means he caught. Admittedly means we accept the fact. Admittedly, all the students in this class are first class. Admittedly means we accept the fact that all the students in this class, they have got the level of first class. Yes. Then extraordinary. Extraordinary means more than ordinary. For example, we find certain days we have got extraordinary rain. Means 24 hours it will be raining. Extraordinary rain. Means more than ordinary, greater than ordinary, isn't it? Yes, that is extraordinary. Perch. Perch means R is silent. That's a perch. Perch means a bird sitting place. A bird sitting place. It can be a branch, it can be a rod, R-O-D. A rod or anything. So that is called a perch. And then a specified spot means fixed spot. You are asked to come to the specified spot means you are asked to come to the fixed spot. If you are asked to come and stand in front of the school, then that is the specified spot. If you are asked to come and stand at the back of the school, then that is specified spot. That's it. And then you have got instantly means at once. At once. That means when the teacher got in the class, the students instantly got up. Means at once got up. All the students got up instantly. So it's a kind of conditioning. When the teacher comes in, the students will automatically get instant coffee. Instant coffee. So instant coffee means you get coffee at once. You need not wait for anything. That is instant, instantly. Pretty impressive. Pretty means quite somewhat well, and then impressive. We had that word in the last class also. Impressive. Something that is admirable, something that is praiseworthy, something that you should give a good opinion of. That is praiseworthy or impressive means, isn't it? His behavior is very impressive. The actor's behavior in the film is very impressive. Means very good, of high standard, praiseworthy and all those. I know these clear words are clear, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to see today. Today we will see that trained ravens. Alfred Hitchcock, probably you must have heard of Alfred Hitchcock, isn't it? The maker of suspense films. Not just the maker of suspense film, one of the greatest makers of suspense films. I happened to see one in my younger days. The Man Who Knew Too Much. That was a film. Suspense till the last moment. The Man Who Knew Too Much. And then he wanted some trained ravens. So what he did was he advertised in the press. He got more than what he wanted. He was making a film that's called Birds. In the film Birds, the birds from all over the world attack humans. So he wanted to get a variety of birds. But he got ravens, plenty of them, about more than 100 plus of ravens he got. So the story of how Alfred Hitchcock got trained ravens for his film Birds. So that's the main point in our today's class. I think now it's clear. So simplified version will go. Here you are. In Hollywood films, every animal is well trained. It is easy to train horses and dogs. True. You can train dogs. Even at home you can train. You call them by name, then they will come to you. Horse also it is. Even squirrels it is easy to train. You can squirrel. Parrots you can train. But what about this But it is not that easy to train birds. Alfred Hitchcock wanted to get a variety of birds in large numbers. Variety, not just ravens, but many variety, many kinds. This was for his film Birds. Hitchcock was well known for making suspense films. Suspense till the last moment. In the film, birds from all over the world attack humans. He advertised in the press. He got about 100 trained ravens. Almost 50 of them sat quietly in a row. In a row means in a line. In a row, when asked to do so. It was really very impressive. So the director asked the ravens, come on, you sit down in a row. Out of the 100, 50 of them sat, and that is quite very silently. That's wonderful, no? Your birds, you are training like that. And then, if you ask the birds to do what you want to, then they will do it. So today's is of course ravens and Alfred Hitchcock. So that's what we are going to see today in the text. Okay, ready? Open your text. Every animal in a Hollywood film is well trained. Simple. Every animal is trained. It is not difficult to train a horse or a dog. A fact. It's not difficult. But have you ever heard of trained ravens? Have you ever heard of that? Can you train a crow? A raven is a big crow. Yes, the size. That's all. A large crow. That is raven means. Big or large. Not just one or two, but nearly 100 of them. Can you think of training 100 ravens, 100 crows here? Is it possible? Even this was made possible in Hollywood. When the creator, the maker of some of the best suspense films in the history of cinema. I told you one, the man who knew too much. One of the best suspense films. Alfred Hitchcock decided to make a film called Birds. So he wanted birds. A variety of birds. He wanted trained birds. Why? Because he will say, come on, go and attack. Come on, you come from there. From the right side and attack humans. From the left side attack humans. Come from down. And then come from above and downwards. And attack humans. Like that. They have to obey. He said, is that possible? He is asking. But it is possible. And it was made possible by Alfred Hitchcock when he was making the film Birds. In the film, in the story, birds from all over the world start attacking humans. That is the film. Humans are being attacked by birds. So he needed not only ravens, but he needed a variety of birds. But he got about 100 plus ravens. Hitchcock needed a variety of birds, but what was required in the largest number was ravens. He wanted many varieties of birds. But in large numbers, he wanted 20 parrots, 30 swallows, and then you have got some small birds and things like that he wanted. But then what he wanted in large number was the ravens, and he got them. Notices were placed in the press all over the United States, asking people to contact the filmmaker. Who is the filmmaker? Alfred Hitchcock. If they knew how to get a hold of trained ravens. So the best way is that you publish, you advertise, you publish your need, advertise in the press, and also different places you paste posters. You say, what is your requirement? I want some, or Alfred Hitchcock, the maker of best suspense films, he wants some ravens, 100 plus, if possible, more birds, more variety of birds. So, some replied within a few days. Within 2 or 3 days, some of them replied. He was asked to bring, someone replied, he was asked to bring his birds and he arrived with almost 100 trained ravens. So within 2 or 3 days, somebody replied. Immediately, Hitchcock said, come on, bring your ravens. And he came with more than 100. Admittedly, their training had not gone very bad. Admittedly. That means we accept the fact that We accept the fact that, I told you, admittedly, in this class there are many first class students. No, all the students are first class. So it's admittedly, the training had not gone very bad. That means 100 he brought. All the 100 did not obey him, but more than 50%. So that means it is not bad, isn't it? Whereas in this class, say let's say 70% students get first class, then you cannot say it is bad. Not bad, we will say. It's good, in fact. Yes, that is to say, they could not do anything that might be seen as extraordinary. They did not do anything extraordinary. What does that mean? Ordinary things they did. There is flying and all those things. But if as many as 50 ravens are told to perch quietly, sit on the place where the birds sit, in a row, in a line, on a specified spot, fixed place, and if they obey this command instantly, at once, isn't that pretty impressive? So they did not do anything extraordinary, I mean they did not attack birds, humans, and they eat their flesh or any such thing. But they did one thing. 50 of them, I said, come on, you go and sit there, or perch there. Immediately, instantly, they sat in a specified place, means a fixed place. 50 of them, more than 50 of them. Don't you think that is impressive? Satyajit Ray says, sorry. It's very impressive, it's really wonderful. That 50 birds, come on, you go and sit there. Even humans will not do that, isn't it? If you ask, you boys, come on, you go and sit there. How many of you will do that? You go and stand outside. How many of you will do that? Of course, more than 50%, 70%, 90% will do, but 10% will say, why? They will ask questions later. Okay, I suppose it's very clear to you. Now today's, you have only this Hitchcock and his ravens. And he says, questions, you have questions like difficulties that Hitchcock faced. He wanted to get a variety of birds, and that trained birds. He wanted to get a variety of trained birds. How did he manage to solve his problem? He advertised in the press. He placed notices everywhere, and then he got these numbers. Then why is it pretty impressive? Because more than 50%, out of the 100, more than 50%, they sat in a row at a specified place. They sat, I think that the power is irregular. Power supply, it seems that it is a bit irregular. Don't worry, you can hear me and I can see you. I think that would be enough. Alright, shall we proceed? Yes. So how did he, why does he say it is pretty impressive? It's pretty impressive because 50% of them, 50 of the birds, they sat in a specified place, a fixed place, quietly, instantly. Instantly means at once. So the director said, come, stand, sit in a row in that place. Then immediately 50 of them sat quietly, and then he says, don't you think that this is impressive? Of course, this is impressive. Just it is praiseworthy. It requires, of course, you have to admire them. Impressive, admirable, etc. I think now it is clear. So today we have a problem is with Alfred Hitchcock. Who was Alfred Hitchcock? Maker of the best suspense films. Creator of best suspense films. Already I told you one. The man who knew too much. Yes. And now you have got how did he manage to solve his problem? But we have already seen. He pasted. He pasted variety of all the United States. You know, he placed in the press all over United States, asking people to contact him. That means he advertised. In one word we can say he advertised. Then he got. One of them replied in a few days and he asked them to come. He came with 100 ravens. 50 of them behaved as he liked. And that's what he says. It is very impressive. See you again.